Hey yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I'm gonna show you a interesting voice changer. Actually, it's not a voice changer, it's a male to female voice converter. And it's a surprising, like you will get a surprising result. Now, what I'm gonna show you here, CapCut. A lot of people don't know about this, but yeah, it has a voice changer. Let me show you. The first thing, if you have any audio, no matter it's Hindi, it's in Urdu, whatever, you need to import your audio file over here. Now in my case I don't have any audio, but let's try this video. There's some. So now what you need to do is just select your file, whether it's a video or audio, and then go into the audio section. Now here's a voice changer. Here you need to select here the Jesse. Now it's loading. That's mean it's just converting your audio, but make sure while applying this effect, your internet is connected properly.
Show you how to fix your stretching. Now there is a lot of factors and the one that worked for me, there's a lot of reasons. As I said, recently I just made a tutorial about overheating. One of the main
Uh-huh.
reasons.
You got this, right? Now without voice changer, if you
Yo
go
guys, so what's going on? I hope you are doing very well. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your stretching. Now, there's a lot of factors.
again with voice changer.
Anyways, what's up? What's going on? I hope you are doing very well. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your stretching. Now,
So you can also convert any other language, like in case if I'm gonna say something in Hindi. Now just open this tool. Once you open this tool, you will see here the recording, and you need to select your microphone over here and make sure it's recording. Echo reduction, check this option if your mic have some echo. Also you can mute the project if there's any other audio file is imported, so you can just check this option. Anyways, let's click on the recording and I'll say something in Hindi. तो आज की वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे वॉइस चेंजर की। आप अपनी आवाज़ को कैसे मेल से फीमेल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। So that's it guys. Now simply you need to select this audio and then go into the voice changer and apply this Jesse voice effect.
so आज की वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे वॉइस चेंजर की। आप अपनी आवाज को कैसे मेल से फीमेल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं।
So the interesting thing is it's not making any robotic sound.
So आज की वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे।
For further, you can just export it on your desktop first in a video format.
आज की वीडियो में हम लोग बात
once you export this file on your desktop, now simply you can open the Audacity and you can import that mp4 file over here on the desktop. Here is the audio file, just import it.
आज
Now you can simply export it again into the mp3 on your desktop. After exporting, you can simply hear this voice.
आज की वीडियो में
And one more thing, you can send these audios on Facebook. It's look like you are sending your voice through a microphone. I wish I can show you that. And it, as you can see, it's look like you just recorded through a microphone. And there's no difference between both files. So this is how actually it's work. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know. I'll guide you with that. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.